Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute. It's been a couple of months, and the only explanation I have for that is life and adulting and more life. But I'm back and I cut my hair again. It's in this little cute tapered pixie curly cut type of deal, and of course I did it myself. I decided not to film it because I'm not a professional, and I don't want to give people the impression that I'm a professional. But anybody that truly knows me knows that I am super impulsive. I had every intention to go to the salon and get a haircut, but I wanted to go this past weekend and they were all booked up, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna just wait till next week for the next available booking. No. So I woke up, I think it was, when did I cut my hair? Yesterday I cut my hair. Woke up yesterday morning, Sunday morning, and I was like, yep, gonna cut it, gonna go for it. So I called my best friend. I was feeling a little like, and I had cut my hair really short before. It was maybe like 2014. And so it wasn't that I was like freaking out, but I wasn't freaking out because I was scared. So I was just like, you know, anxious. So I cut my hair while she was on FaceTime with me, and yeah. Basically how I did it, I sectioned my hair off. I did like 1, 2, 3 like ponytails, and then 1 ponytail here, 1 ponytail here, and then these 2 ponytails back here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ponytails. And prior to that, like my hair was in a bob haircut, so I didn't have much hair to cut off, but it was a significant amount to go from a bob to a pixie. And I'm not a professional, but I had an idea of how I may have wanted it, so I went ahead and I cut it. Yeah. And the reason why I cut it, I have not been feeling my hair for a while now. I want to say for like 2 years now, I haven't really enjoyed my curls. I tried my best trying to take care of them, but I feel like ever since I was living in New Jersey, I've been in New Jersey. I'm originally from New York, Brooklyn, New York, and I moved to Jersey 2 years now. I've been here for 2 years, and I just like, I feel like the water is like, there's hard water here. Just the water in general is not good, like the tap. And I feel like that's like the real reason that my hair, it just has not been flourishing. It's just dry, brittle, even with me doing all my little deep treatment, my hair mask, really taking care of my hair like how I usually do, because that's just, I have curly hair, so I have to take care of it. That doesn't work. And even we installed me and my fiance, we installed a shower filter, and even so, it just like, even when I like, the longest I've grown out my hair after I think it was like a year now, the video that I posted about me cutting my hair into that bob, from that point it grew, I want to say, from here to here. And that whole, all of that hair that grew out, and this is how I can see if my hair is healthy or not. Like, it just looks so dry and brittle. But I did I blew out my hair, and all the hair that grew out, it just didn't look good. It just looked so dry and brittle. So yeah, I think it was a few months ago, 3 months now, I cut my hair into another bob. So yeah, I cut my hair into the bob, and still I just like not feeling it. And I'd been sleeping on this idea for a really long time now. And again, as I mentioned before, I had my hair really short in 2014, so I wasn't afraid to cut it. So yeah, I just got super tired of my hair. I wasn't really enjoying it, and I just wanted to be like as low maintenance as possible. Like the less I could do with my hair at this point in my life, like right now in this moment, I just want to be like low maintenance as far as like my hair goes. So yeah, that is the real reason that I cut my hair. And I have to say I didn't do an awful job. Like, look at it. I'm gonna do a little spin around. So this is how it looks from the front. I have my hair parted. This is how it looks from the side. Side one, side number two, and this is how it looks from the back. And yeah, so that's how it looks. I eventually want to go way shorter, but I'm gonna do that gradually, and for that I think I will go and see a professional. I'll probably go to Diva Sean, because that's who I wanted to book the appointment with. Is this one girl who's really good with like curly pixie cuts, but she was all booked up. But hopefully she's gonna be my go-to girl. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and catch up with you guys really quickly about some hair talk. Have a little hair venting sesh. But I hope you all are doing amazing, and I will catch you in my next video, which will be soon. Like, I'm not just saying that, it's gonna be real soon. It'll probably be like a makeup talk type of deal. Get ready with me. But yeah, see you guys in my next video.